Miss Molly. You got the hiccups, baby girl? Yeah, it looks like you do. Yeah, she got the hiccups. Oh, somebody's hungry. Let's get you fed.